Alright guys, and welcome to the video. This is part 2 where we are actually gonna run this code that we developed in the last session, and we're gonna create the tables. So let's go ahead and do that. So this looks good. We have created a database file. Now we just need to run it. We have defined all of stuff, the name, age and stuff in the last lecture. So now I need to create a database, right? So the way to do that is very simple. I'm just gonna define a function, create database, and in order to create a database, I'm gonna say db dot create all. So this is essentially gonna create all the tables and columns, right? Now to add people inside, so I'm gonna create an object known as sawmill because I'm gonna add my details in the database. So remember, we need to define the class name. This is nothing but person. So it's gonna say person, and after you say person, now remember, now the person has name, right? So I'm gonna say sawmill, S is capital. Remember, age was integer, so I'm gonna say I am 24 years old. All right. Now let's define one more. Let's say Vivek. He's my good friend, so I'm gonna add his name. Oops. Vivek. Person. Oops. Person. I'm gonna say Vivek. He's 25 years old. So just gonna add his age quickly. So once that is done, now we need to add stuff inside the database. So we say db.session.add all. What was that? Add or add all? I forgot the syntax. Oh, weird. All right, I think it's we can do add, and yeah, it should work. Yeah. So let's do add. Let's add sawmill in the database. db.session.add. Of course, let's add Vivek. Of course, when you add, you have to commit to the database session dot commit. Is the spelling right? COMMIT. Yeah. I'm pretty bad at spellings. When it comes to spellings, I always make mistakes. Always. All right. So once that is done, now we have created a database. We just need to run it. So it's pretty simple. So if __ name is equal to __ main, as usual, we always do this. Call the function. We can print a message here, so we know this function actually ran. Database created and dots. All right, three. So you know what? First, let's do an ls and we'll make sure. All right, so now it's running. So sometime basically just try to close it and run it. So we just have some kind of warnings, but that's fine. These are just kind of warnings, okay? So that's fine. So now you see SQLite test is created. So if I open in the Finder, hopefully, and if I open with SQLite Studio, I already have a SQLite Studio file. So if you don't have, you can download it. So here you can see these are the, so you can see ID integer, name text, age is integer, and this is a primary key, and all of the details about the tables. We can browse data. You can see sawmill Vivek was added successfully. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and in the part 3 we are gonna learn how to query the data. So where name is equal to sawmill or where name is equal to etc. We're gonna query, we're gonna select some columns and stuff like that. So that's it. Stay connected with me, and hope you guys are enjoying my tutorials. If you have any questions, list your question in the comment section below, and as usual, I shall try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and see you guys next time.